Hey, this is Michaela from Easy Test, and right now I'm at our dairy location. Today I'm going to go over 3 reasons why you should buy an above ground pool today. Reason number 1, cost. Above ground pools are a lot cheaper than in-ground pools. In-ground pools can range from $20,000 to $75,000. However, above ground pools can range from $5,000 to $10,000, which is significantly cheaper in cost. Reason number 2, installation. So in-ground pools can take from 1 month to multiple months to install. However, above ground pools can take as little as 1 day to install in your backyard. Reason number 3, space. Are you short on space in your yard? No problem. These above ground pools can fit into the smallest yards compared to in-ground pools that need a lot more space, a lot more time, and a lot more digging. Make a splash with your family today this summer with the help of Easy Test.